Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from the Kraken Wallet application on your smartphone if you have forgotten to log out. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have forgotten to log out from the Kraken Wallet application, you will find the option within the app as well. But even if you log out, your login information and some of your user data might still be saved. So to make sure that none of your user information or data has been saved, and log out the secure way, long press the Kraken application and tap on the info button. This will now take you into the application info page for the Kraken app. Now from this page, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the app by tapping on OK. Then scroll down and tap on storage to end up within the storage menu. Now from this page, go ahead and tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button to delete all of the user data from the Kraken Wallet app. And now you will successfully be logged out. If you open up the Kraken Wallet application now, you will see that none of your user account information has been saved and you have successfully been logged out. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Kraken Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.